What do basketball and reading have in common? Confidence, creativity, teamwork, and heart.
That's amazing.
Meet Helen Darling, the new NEA Read Across America ambassador.
Reading is my game.
A WNBA champion, Hall of Famer, educator, and literacy advocate, Helen has spent years helping young people discover the power of books. For more than 25 years, NEA's Read Across America program has connected students to diverse books, joyful reading experiences, and stories that help every student feel reflected and respected. NEA supports access to age-appropriate books for all students and encourages educators to help students explore the joys of reading all year long.
Reading is my game, and I hope you make it yours too.
Now, Helen is teaming up with NEA to inspire the next generation of readers nationwide. Get in the game.